factors which we have, these the timely supplement of water is also a good factor for concrete to be well prepared. The speed and timing of these mixings can be keenly observed. So the rotation of these drums with a constant speed for the mixing of these concrete materials can be seen. These are the drums. There is a here in this drum you can see the inlet and outward materials can be seen here. These are the plates where the cubes, where plate vibrators, uh, plate mixers. Here you can see the mixing of these concretes and the concrete placers. Here, usually done through buckets carried on roads or tracks. So the dump trucks and belt conveyors are also used for these concrete placings when seen on the railroads or tracks. The cableways can be used for the hoisting of buckets, may be done with the help of cranes. The concrete placers. Here, in these belt conveyors, the concrete can be discharged at this point and can be carried to the point of discharge where we need the concrete to be placed. Here, you can see this is the belt conveyors. Here, the discharge of this concrete from the plant to be carried and can be discharged in these belt conveyors, and these belt conveyors can carry the concrete which has been poured onto them to the longer distances here and placed wherever the concrete is to be placed. These are the carriers of the concrete, and you can see here a hydraulic machine arrangement has been made and the concrete is poured here and can be discharged here. Dredging equipment used for excavation from riverbed, lake, sea for the purpose of deepening them. The depot dredgers, backhoe dredgers, bucket or ladder dredgers, suction dredgers, and grab dredgers are used. It is usually mounted on a floating platform. The boom can rotate through 180 degrees. Production rate 50 cubic meter per hour. Bucket size 4 to 6 cubic meters. The dumping range is about 30 meters and the depth is 15 meters. They are suitable for rock material dredging clay and confined spaces of docks and narrow channels. Low production rate and less depth. Dipper dredgers. Backhoe dredger. It is usually mounted on a floating platform. Production rate is of about 100 to 400 cubic meter per hour. The bucket size is 1 to 6 cubic meters. The depth is about 18 meters and are suitable for rock material, trenches, etc. The backhoe dredger. These are the backhoe dredgers. The ladder dredger. Here it is equipped with bucket elevator mounted on a barge. The cable arrangement, wheel and containers can be seen. It is suspended on a steel ladder suitable for excavating soft ground, sand or gravel. These are the ladder dredges, a bucket ladder. You can see here. When the rotations, these buckets can be filled and can be lifted towards here and dumped here. So a bucket ladders has been arranged to these ladder dredges. You see here, these are the buckets which are uh, helped to dredge. Ladder dredges. Here the buckets are filled with the soil which has been dredged and can be moved to the surfaces. Grab dredges. Here it is equipped with grab suspended by a cable. The grab is extended by operating boom of a crane. Dredger has 1 to 4 broom cranes, broom cranes mounted. So the dredger has 1 to 4 boom cranes mounted on it. The which are suitable for excavating soft ground, sand or gravel, and rock removal also. These are the grab dredgers. The suction dredger, similar in operation, except it consists of a pump excavator mounted on a barge with suction line supported on a ladder. The plain suction dredger, which is free running granular material, and a cutter suction dredger, which has a 300 cubic meter per hour output capacity and 6 kilometer pumping range. The wheel suction dredger is about 200 to 36,000 cubic meter per hour output capacity, and the trailer suction dredger, which has an about 300 to 11,000 cubic meter per hour output capacity and depth of about 10 to 30 meters can be seen. The plain suction dredger, and here the suction of these materials can be done and carried to the outer surfaces. The cutter suction dredger, these are the cutter suction dredger, wheel suction dredger. Here is the wheel arrangement can be seen here, which can dredge, which can cut the beneath the surface materials, and can be the cutted amount of material can be sucked out of the uh, arrangement which we have here. Wheel suction dredger, trailer suction dredger. Here the suction pump and sand, the sucked amount of material can be discharged in here. Trenchers. Wheel wrenches. They consist of a pair of circular rims connected by a U-shaped buckets or cutters. The self-propelled, the excavating device is connected to a means of conveying, which has a width of 12 meters and depth of 3 meters. They are cable drive operated wheel trenchers. They are majorly used for laying water, gas, or pipelines, telephone cables, drainage lines, and sewers. These wheel trenchers are helpful. These are the wheel trenchers. Here, you can see here they trench the surfaces, and the pipelines of gas, oil, or telephonic cables can be laid in these trenched areas. The ladder type trenches, which are similar to wheel trenches, except buckets are provided with chain links on ladders type frame or boom. The major advantages are faster. These ladder type trenches are very faster in trenching and are cheaper. They dig necessary depth, and continuous process can be seen by these ladder type trenches. These are the ladder type trenches. Here you can see the trench which has been desired depth can be seen here, and which is a faster and a cheaper in trenching of these lines. Tunneling equipment, the rock drilling equipment, uh, percussion type and rotary type. Here, the jack hammers, handy equipment weighs about 25 kgs, uh, depth of about 2.5 to 3 meters can be seen by using of these equipments. The drifter, the heavy rock drillers, the weight of 45 to 70 kgs of this machine and a depth of 9 meters to 12 meters can be seen. The tunneling, the rock drilling equipments, the truck mounted are having easy mobility and can uh, dug deep a depth of 15 meters and holes along angle and vertically down. Tunnel boring missions. Uh, these are majorly useful for boring of a tunnel and can be seen in the tunneling of or the helpful of subways or any underground tunnelings can be seen by using these tunneling equipments. Thank you and see you in the next class.